If you're interested in doing highlighting or color lerping like this in your game, check this video out. We want to make a default color, and you also want to make a highlight color. Also a speed float, so we can dictate the speed in which we want the color lerp to happen. Also, I want to make sure that I reference the material. So really, I'm trying to make it so that you can just drag and drop this script onto a game object. And that material, it'll check to see, does this game object have a material on it? And if not, we're going to check the children to see, if they have material. And now that we have referenced the material, we're going to set the default color as well to whatever that material's color is. We're doing a while this is enabled, because when we want to disable the script, it'll turn off the highlighting and it'll revert the material's color back to white. So here you need to make some temporary variables. We want to have lerp color and the current time. So within the while loop, we want to set the lerp color, and we want to use mathf.pingpong because we want to change from default color to highlight color, and then from highlight color to default color. We want to go back and forth. If you remove that mathf.pingpong, you won't have that back and forth. And because lerping is going from 0 to 1, we want to divide it by 1, so we have that transition from 0 to 1, from 1 to 0. And then this is where we want to add that lerp speed so we can control it. So we're going to do a set color, and we're going to pass in the color property. And we want to add it to the start function, so when we apply the script and hit start in the project, it immediately starts that highlight effect. And then when the script is done, at the end of this enumerator, we want to set the material's color back to default. Okay, so now that the script is done, I just want to add it to this game object in the scene. We'll look for ColorLerp. And then when I play the scene, it will do that ping pong effect where it highlights from, white to green. And when I turn it off, it'll go back to the default color, which is white. So it's doing its ping pong effect. If I disable, now it's back to white. Turn it back on. And there's that highlight effect. And there you go. I hope you got something out of this. If you have any questions or any comments, post it down below in the video, in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Have a good one.